In this video, I will guide you how you can transfer from Tonkeeper to your KuCoin. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. First of all, you're gonna need to start by opening up your KuCoin and then sign in with your account. Now once you are in, what you need to do is to simply click on Assets on the bottom right and then click on Deposit Crypto. Now I need to search for any crypto, so in this case it is going to be USDT or Tonkeeper, and then if you haven't verified yet, you just need to make sure to verify your account, otherwise you cannot proceed further. Now you're just gonna need to copy your wallet address and your network and then open up your Tonkeeper, and once you have signed in, you're just gonna need to click on this USDT and then click on the send button. Now I need to simply paste the address of the recipient. As I said, you just gonna need to copy from the KuCoin and then paste it in your Tonkeeper wallet. Now once you do so, you just gonna need to proceed further and complete the transaction and you are good to go. So that's the way of how you can transfer from Tonkeeper to your KuCoin.